Today and yesterday we had some massive luck on BETFURY. You saw me playing Sweet Bonanza before on the channel. And as I say, this is a massive win. As you can see, 879x. We had a win of $175. This win is a buy-in of $20. So this is insane, people, insane. So as you can see right now, we're playing on BETFURY and we had some massive wins yesterday, a lot of wins. Also, if you take a look at the top wins, you can see almost 1000x. Not yet, but it will come in the future. That's what I'm thinking. So as you saw this video, you could see this is September 26, like 6 days ago. I started off with $60 around that. Let's go. Now the green one. Here you will see I had a massive banana around. Alright, another one. Come on, one more. Let's get it. We have it. Let's get it. 10 free spins. Let's go. We were just starting to play. We can win a lot or we can win nothing. Let's go. This is 10 free spins. Let's get it. Come on, wish me luck. You see that's 18x. Come on. $1.80. You can see how much you can win. Come on, potentially, give me more. Today I will also show you a strategy that I'm doing to win the BFG token, to mine it, to say it correctly, and also to win the daily battles yesterday, also today, but by playing yesterday, I won also $4.05, something like that, but I'm trying to be around $15, $25 and be in the top 30 of the players. And I will show you today how I'm going to be doing that with the game dice, not with Sweet Bonanza. But first, let's take a look at this. Give me more! What is this, man? 27x with 20 cents. That's stupid. Come on. Give me something. Show something to the viewers. Yeah, let's get it. Banana. Alright, let's get it. Nice. Oh, now I'm gonna win some money, bro. Yeah, let's go. $70, bro. Here, so ended up get that $140. Use my link in the description of my. Now at this moment, right now, we're at, you're not gonna believe it, $560. So we had a massive profit on this game, and I'm just gonna do another buy feature right here. That's how we win the amounts. We also play right here, but we buy also in. So I will show you that just to give you some entertainment, and then we will go into the dice strategy. Let me know if you like this content, give a thumbs up, give me a comment, and make sure to use my link if you want to play on BETFURY, mine BFG tokens, get some rake back right here. As you can see, get a Fury charge. Alright, you can see, yes, activate. So we have 151 BFG. Then we have the Fury wheel, this is for the spin. You have a lot of cashback also if you're going up in rank. Alright, 3 BFG. So there's a lot of things with BETFURY and there's a lot of cover to cover, and I will do that. As you can see, this is the battle, the daily battle. We're now at 161 place. My current price is $8, $2.4, 388 BFG. So this is daily, and if we go to this, I will first show you that. If we go to all promotions, we click onto this, then we go to the downside, daily battle. It finishes in 22 hours. The first one has now 13,000 and that's a price of $3,000. But top 30 in my opinion is possible, as we can see, 1000 bet. So we will try and get to top 30 in this video, so make sure to stay tuned until the end, and it will work in my opinion with my strategy on dice that I will show you in a minute. But first we will do a buy feature on the Bonanza game, and maybe we have some luck and can entertain you, or we will lose some. That's also possible. We will not go below 500. Alright, let's get it. Let's put on the sound. Yes. First we're gonna do some spins. Yeah, that's the kind of tumble that you want, and in a free spin and then get a multiplier. can see my latest win is a lot, so there's a possibility we will get nothing. But yeah, we will see. Also, if you want to see it, it's maybe nice to see. Let's watch it. Just to give you an experience what's possible with this game. You can win up to 21,100 your bet. My max is now 800x. Let's put some
Nice.
That was the first stretch for the back. All because of the that's pretty much what I was looking at. So yeah, let's just get into it. Bye. Not financial advice, guys. Please do this on your own risk, and please do not gamble more money than you're willing to lose. I just like the feature also of staking with the BFG token. And you can see it's still mining right here. Oh yeah, it's free spins, so now it's not counting. I will show you it's not free spins. Come on. We left. We're gonna get in a loss. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, that's the loss. Yeah, I was expecting that. So yeah, just to show you. If you spin, you get the BFG token, it's mining. 25. One more. Let's go. It's just entertainment. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of content. Better. Come on. Shouldn't have bought it after those wins. Stupid. Yeah. Good try. Let's do one more spins. Good spins. So yeah, let's go to the dice game and try to win the daily battle. As you can see right here, we're at 153 Wagger, 136 place, and 8 is the dollar current price. So keep this in mind. We're just going to play 5 minutes to 1541. So let's put this on roll over. Yes. 50 cent. Stop on profit 5. Stop on loss 5. 0.5. Yes. Alright. Start. And as you can see, while we are playing, we are also mining. You can see that right here. And I will show you in 5 minutes what my Wagger will be. My Wagger was also, this is profit. So now that we have profit, we do roll under. We do the opposite. And we put this on 49%. Yes, roll under. Start. Alright, this is a loss. So now we're going to double up. Now we just let this one run again. We are not going to double up. Now we go back to this and we are gonna take rollover. As you can see, my balance is still around the same. But you will see that I will go up a lot in price regularly in my bets. So my daily price battle, as you can see, it's already up a lot and my current price is 15. You see how quick it goes? It's already 2x in like 3 minutes. 3 minutes in. So yeah, now it hit loss. So what we do is put 1x. Alright. Done. Now we do this. Now it's a hard one because it's not giving that good. So I'm thinking to run the same one again. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. That was a good decision. Seems like a good one. If it now hits profit, I'm definitely going back to roll under. The opposite. It looks we're gonna hit profit. Roll under. But as you can see, the main thing we're doing is just mining a lot of PFG tokens and trying to win the daily battle. And also profiting most of the time. As you can see, again, profit. We are in a profit right now. Now, we're just gonna do roll over again. The opposite. And this just stays on stop loss 5, stop on profit 5. I will end the video in 2 minutes, but it's just to show you the possibilities. Now we do double. Now we do half. Now it's a tricky one. There is a possibility we will keep getting over, but I'm just gonna do roll under. Battle play 66, current price 15. We already have 3 doubled our bet in less than 5 minutes, as you can see. So that's how we roll in this game. You can see it right here. Congrats, you have won $4.05. Staking rewards, other rewards, $2. And this is when I start taking it serious from now on. So now we have a loss. I think it's a tricky one, but I'm gonna do it. Yeah, it looked a tricky one. It really looked like that. One more. Yeah, that's not good. Alright. So now we have to refocus, do this again. Should come more from this one now. But now is the problem. Which one are we going to take? You see, like now it's hard. Now it's hard to choose. The game is a bit unstructured for my betting. So I'm just going to run it again. I think there are more coming from this one now. Because we had a lot of streaks of the rollover. You see? This is why I said it. And now roll over, normally it should hit profit. This one I'm more confident that it will hit profit now. If you have this one, click onto it, you will get a reward. You will see it right here. Mr. Fury's card, you get 3 PFG. So let's do it. If I hit profit with this one, it's the last one I'm gonna end the video. It's 50.42. No Profit. Now let's do rollover, roll under. Which one should I choose? I'm gonna try this one. That was a lot of losses. Come on, push it, push it. Come on, come on. Couple more. Yeah, that's good. Alright, we're gonna end the video. As you can see, we started on 150 betting. In 5 minutes we have almost $550 extra, and we are now at a current price of $25, and this will end in 20 hours or something. So make sure to check out the time and play closely as the time is ending. So if there's 5 hours left, you can play a lot, and if you're done in a good place, you will stay in that place. Because if I will not play anymore right now, people will keep playing the coming 20 hours and they will catch up at me and my price will be lower. So I will be playing at the last 4 hours or something. So yeah, this was it. It's very simple to mine BFG tokens, get rake back, Fury wheel, Fury charge, cashback. Make sure to use my BetFury link to support the channel. Also, let me know if you have used that one. Join the Telegram channel. I forgot to say that. Make sure to join the Telegram channel. This is the new community channel. Everything is posted here. You can comment on. This is the discussion group. And we have a VIP group as well. More info is coming for that. Make sure to join this Telegram group to stay up to date with the market. As you can see, also very bullish news for Atom. So come take a look at the group. And I hope to see you into the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.